that easy.
It is currently 8 AM and we have just got to site. What we're going to get up to today is we are going to excavate ready for concreting this week.
Okay, what pipe do you want me to dig up first?
All of them.
This is the full pipe detector, the motor version, Australian delivery, and we're ready to go.
With the excavator, we are just going to go through and scrape the top layer of turf off. So what we're doing now is preparation, ready for this slab to go in for our patio. We do own a bobcat, but for this job we are going to have to barrow everything out and ramp it into the truck. Excavation of the turf is now finished, so what we do now is we run through with a laser level, get all of our heights. We've scraped all the soil into one big pile, so now we can just load it up and take it to the truck. Today, our day has consisted of barrowing, and more barrowing. The backyard is now finished, so we are moving on to getting the turf off for the front yard. We will reverse the truck up and then we can easily load this front turf.
Okay, as far as this goes then, 6285 is the foam length, is it?
Yeah.
So we would really want to presume we go
Well, you want to be exactly
200 in?
6 metres from here, centre of this bond beam.
No, 200 in.
That's 200 in,
Yep.
which is centre.
Okay, so I'll mark 6285.
And then you should be just inside the 6 metre marker.
we have marked out all of our holes and we are now drilling. So we are putting 2 steel posts in. We will drill them to the depth of our drawings and we will be ready to go to concrete these posts in tomorrow.
Excavation work is now complete, so we're ready to box it up, ready for concreting tomorrow.